Hello students, welcome to Akash. I am Umesh Shoila, your career counseling expert here at Akash. Hope your NEET exam went well. In this video session, we are going to look at the state-wise NEET counseling process of Tamil Nadu state and a unique tool to predict your AIR and the possible colleges you may be eligible for. Okay? In today's state-wise NEET counseling session, our focus will be on the Tamil Nadu state. We will covering important topics like seat matrix, cutoff analysis, and the counseling process. Okay, now let's start. Here you can see the Tamil Nadu MBBS seat matrix. If you can see, there are total number of 77 colleges with a seat capacity of 12,050, in which 40 colleges are the government medical colleges with a seat capacity of 5,450, and the remaining 37 are the private medical colleges with the seat capacity of 6,600. Got it? Now, here you can see a college list in which you can see the college name, the college type, and the seat capacity. Okay, now the second list, the list of the private medical colleges, the list of the again private medical colleges. Now let's talk about the BDS seat matrix in the Tamil Nadu state. A map is shown on your screen. You can see there are total 32 colleges in the Tamil Nadu state for the BDS with a seat capacity of 3,050, in which 3 are the government BDS colleges with a seat capacity of 250, and remaining 29 are the private dental colleges with the seat capacity of 2,800. You can also take the screenshot of the list of colleges. Here you can see the college name, the college type, like you can see government, and private, and here you can see the seat capacity of the each college. You can take screenshot as well. Second list. Okay, now let's talk about the crucial point in the counseling, that is the cutoff. Here you can see the government MBBS college cutoff 2024 for the specific category, for the specific quota, like the 7.5% government quota, 92.5 government quota, and the management quota. Basically in the Tamil Nadu state, two quotas are present for the counseling. The one is the competent quota, which called the government quota, and second one is the management quota. Okay, and the categories present in the Tamil Nadu are the BC, BCM, MBC, and DNC, OC, SC, SCA, ST, and NRI lapsed. And here you can see the highest cutoff for the admission in the specific category and the specific quotas. Okay, now you can see the cutoff for the private MBBS colleges, the same 7.5% government quota, 92.5% government quota, and the management quota as well. You can take screenshot for the future reference also. Now let's talk about the seat distribution in the Tamil Nadu state. Okay, the Tamil Nadu state medical counseling, the government medical colleges 85% seats, means here 85% seats of all state GMCs are reserved for the localites, means in the Tamil Nadu state the 85% seat of all the state government medical colleges, means except AIIMS and JIPMER. Basically in the Tamil Nadu state only AIIMS is present, so leave the AIIMS, and all the GMCs and their seat capacity, and 85% of them are reserved for the students or the local students of the Tamil Nadu only. Then where is the remaining 15%? Then the remaining 15% seat are reserved under the AIQ. The remaining 15% seat are reserved under the AIQ, means All India quota, whose counseling conducted by the MCC, Medical Counseling Committee. Got it? Now the distribution of these 85% seats are as follows: open competition 31%, the backward class 30%, most backward class means ki MBC category 20%, SC and ST 19%. Okay, the fee structure for the specific categories like OC, BC, BCM, MBC 13,610 rupees per annum approx, and for the SC, SC and ST 9,610 per annum approx. Because for the exact fee you have to wait for the counseling prospectus of the Tamil Nadu state. For the private medical colleges are also known as the SFIs. Okay. Tamil Nadu State Medical Counseling Committee, the private medical colleges, these colleges are also known as SFIs. SFIs means ki self-financing institutes. Okay. In any state, there are the two types of the SFIs. The first one is the deemed universities, and the second one is the state private medical colleges. The counseling for the deemed universities is conducted by the MCC. Okay, and the state private medical colleges counseling is conducted by the state specific authority. And in the private medical colleges, there are the two institutions, means two types of institutions, non-minorities and minorities. Okay, and in non-minorities institutions, state quota is 65% and management quota is 35%, and in the minority institutions, state quota is 50% and management quota is the 50%. Okay, the fee structure for the state quota 4.35 to 4.5 lakh per annum. For the management quota 13.50 lakh per annum. NRI quota fees is the 24.5 lakh rupees per annum. Okay, now let's talk about the process of Tamil Nadu State NEET counseling. At first, you have to register online on the given website. After that, the declaration of the state rank list, means a state rank list will be published and you have to check your name there. After that, if your name was present there, then you have to complete your online choice filling, and after that again a list is published which called the allotment list, and if your name is there, then you have to report at the allotted college or allotted the institutions. Then now, what is the eligibility to participate in the Tamil Nadu State NEET counseling? For the seat reserved for the localites of the Tamil Nadu, means now we are talking about the 85% seats of the GMC. Done. The candidate must have the nativity certificate of the Tamil Nadu state, means the domicile certificate. The candidate who are native of the other state but studied from 6th to 12th standard continuously in the Tamil Nadu are also eligible under the open category. Then, to know about other eligibility criteria, kindly check the prospectus available on the official website. Which documents are required at the time of the seat allotment? Then the documents are academic eligibility mark sheet and certificate, means your 10th and your 12th mark sheet, your NEET UG admit card and mark sheet, your domicile or the nativity certificate if applicable, community certificate means your caste certificate if applicable, PWD certificate if applicable, passport size photographs, you need 8 to 10 photographs here, government ID proof, for an example your Aadhaar card, your voter ID card and your driving license also, and your birth certificate. Now let's talk about the fee exemption for the SC, SCA and ST candidate of the Tamil Nadu. If you are allotted by a government medical college and you are belong to SC, SC and ST category, then you can avail this scheme. And what is this scheme? SC, SCA and ST candidate whose parents or guardians annual income is less than 2,50,000 are exempted from all compulsory and the non-refundable fee. Got it? Okay. Now let's talk about the bond policies which are applicable in Tamil Nadu state. The service bond means there is a 5 years of rural service or penalty of 5 lakh rupees. Means after completion of your degree you have to provide your services to the Tamil Nadu state government, and if you don't comply with it then you have to pay a penalty amount of 5 lakh rupees for this, and this is also known as service bond. Got it guys? Now discontinuation bond. If you withdraw your admission after the batch announcement of MBBS NEET UG first year, then you have to pay a penalty amount for this, and the amount is 10 lakh rupees. Got it? The service bond is applicable only in government medical colleges, but the discontinuation bond is applicable in both the government as well as private medical colleges also. So be careful for this. Thank you so much for watching, and to predict your AIR behalf of your NEET UG score, you can use Akash NEET rank and college predictor, which works only with your NEET score. All the best for your future journey.